Sabi mo, dirty. Sabi mo, dirty.
Ito ang example ng dirty. Isa. Dirty.
Siya, kakainis naman itong bata. Okay lang.
Dirty. Sabi mo, dirty. 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 Ay, dirty. Dirty yan. Dirty. Sabihin, dirty. 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 Sabi mo, dirty. 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 Sabi mo, dirty. Dirty. Sabi mo, dirty. 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 Paanong dirty? Dirty. Sabi mo, dirty. Sabi mo, bye-bye. 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 Sabi mo, bye-bye.